Hey guys, today's video is more of a are y'all interested in. Once upon a time I used to make soap sprinkles and I would sell them on Etsy, and I am going to start doing that again, and I'm just curious as to who would be interested in buying those. I started out with the birthday sprinkles, just your traditional multicolored cylinder little sprinkles, which I turned this into the soap sprinkles. But I'm just interested. I know was pretty successful back in 2020 when I was doing it, and goodness, I went from moving to my apartment into my childhood home into another town, back to Altus, building my clientele back. Like, did a lot of running around. But I am thinking about doing it again. I have previously gotten rid of all my equipment and everything. I didn't really realize I was me in a permanent good location so soon. So I really do regret getting rid of all those things, but I just worked my way back up again. But for now, I want to make soap sprinkles. Eventually I'll get into the fun confetti sprinkles that I used to make, but I just want to do it better. More professional, I guess. More better shape, more better quality, better packaging, maybe a little bit more bulk orders. But if you're interested, just let me know. I would love to make a video again on how I make those. There's also a video I'll link to a video where I've made them before, but I'll be turning this into soap sprinkles. And I hope to hear your thoughts, concerns, fun new ideas for different kinds. But yeah, I would just love to hear anything from you guys, and any engagement would be awesome for my channel. And if you do want to see further videos on soap sprinkles or soap making or anything else, please give me a like and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next one.